Welcome back everybody. On this episode we're going to work on our dies. Let me quickly explain to you how we are going to do this. Okay, so when making these dies we have to keep a couple of things in mind. One of them is this dovetail. Now these angles have to be exactly the same. And this dovetail is basically so we can hold the entire die in place with a key, and this key is hammered in. Next thing is this edge. You can't see it, but it has a slight angle of 1 degree over the entire length. This is because this key also has a taper to it. The top die also has this little groove in it, and this groove holds this small key. And that ensures when you are installing the die on the hammer that the die doesn't move left to right and always is in the same position. So it makes it very easy to quickly change these out without realigning everything again. Okay, so this is the saw block and this holds the bottom die. Now the problem is that dovetails aren't exactly the same angle. So I want to quickly recut those since my angle is already set on the shaper. But I also want to clean up these nasty edges that have mushroomed over years of hitting before I can even put it on the shaper. quite pleased with how these dice came out. You just saw me harden them too. We only hardened the top part because they have these very sharp edges here and we didn't want the rails cracking them, but they all need to be hard at the top. Anyway, on the next episode we're going to start fixing the ram of the power hammer, since we have some leaks there and probably the seal, but maybe some internal problems too. So I hope to see you guys on the next episode. Thank you for watching.